In this video, we will discuss the differences between coil spring and lip spring. So the very first difference, coil spring is made by winding constant diameter wire in form of helix. So here you can see an example of coil spring. So it is made by winding a constant diameter wire in form of helix. Now the lip spring is made by clamping a series of flat plate of varying length one above the other. So here you can see an example of lip spring. So it is made with the help of flat plates. They are semi-elliptical in shape and they are clamped together so as to get a complete spring. Next point, although the coil is wound in a helical path, basic shape of the helical spring is cylindrical. So here you can see the coil spring. So its basic shape is cylindrical. Lip spring, basic shape of the lip spring is semi-elliptical. So here you can see the lip spring, its basic shape is semi-elliptical. So the upper plate is known as the master leaf. This is nothing but the upper plate. This is the upper plate of the lip spring, and this upper plate is known as master leaf. Now these plates, they are semi-elliptical in shape, and its length is also different. This lower leaf or the lower leaves is known as graduated leaves, and they are clamped or bolted together or they are laminated together. Now the coil spring offers small amount of flexibility in transverse direction. So here I have shown the deflection of the spring in longitudinal direction. So at the same time, the coil spring offers its deflection in transverse direction up to 10 degrees. Now the lip spring does not offer flexibility in the transverse direction. So here you can see the lip spring. It can deflect only in the longitudinal direction. It cannot deflect in transverse direction. So here you can see the different part. The upper part is known as master leaf, whereas the lower plate, those plates are known as graduated leaves. So these leaves, they are clamped together or they are laminated together. Next point, load bearing capacity of this type of spring is comparatively lower. So the load bearing capacity of coil spring is comparatively lower than the lip spring. So such type of spring is mostly used for light duty application. They are used in the pen, okay, and mostly they are used in the suspension system of bike and the cars. So its load bearing capacity is less. Now the lip spring, load bearing capacity of this type of spring is much higher. So its load bearing capacity is comparatively large than the coil spring, and it is basically used for heavy duty applications like the industrial trucks. Next point, coil spring tends to absorb the shock and vibration and thus provide a comfortable ride. So your coil spring can absorb shock and vibrations quickly, and thus it provides a comfortable ride to the passenger. Now the lip spring tend to lift off the vehicle body when it experiences bump, so it cannot provide comfortable ride. So the lip spring, they are basically used for heavy duty application, and typically when the vehicle is not loaded, in that case even for a small bump the vehicle lift up. Next point, helical spring are light and cheaper. So here you can see the helical spring, they are light and cheaper as compared to your lip spring. Now the lip spring, generally lip spring are heavy and costly. So here you can see the lip spring, they are made up of flat metal plates which are elliptical in shape, and the lip spring typically consists of 5 to 6 plates, and they are clamped together. So that is why they are heavy and they are again costlier than the coil spring. So this is nothing but the basic difference in between coil spring and lip spring. Thank you so much for watching my video.